Hello and welcome to another update video here about Polkadot. Polkadot. We can see a decent reaction, I would say, to the support region. We had a couple of reactions now. The first one in this range. So I see this as a larger sideways range. We've been talking about that in recent weeks. And the idea is currently that the price is likely moving in this sideways range in a potential wave 2. Well, to be fair, that wave 2 might have bottomed when the price hit the support area on the 25th of February, and we could already be in a third wave rally to the upside. But I have to say that this is not high confidence necessarily. I really need to see more evidence for that. I definitely need to see more evidence for that. And what we can identify here is a possible third wave in the making as an ABC structure, because the wave 1 was also an ABC structure. But do I trust this? No, I don't trust this. But it's definitely something I'm watching for, given that a third wave should exactly start from that support area. Should start exactly from that support area, which is defined between $4.07 and $4.47. It is still relevant, this support area, absolutely. And what I need to see next is, as I said, in the first instance, a break above the A wave high, because that at least indicates that this local pullback is complete, but it looks complete already. We can zoom in a little bit further. We start to see some decent momentum and volume come in as well. It's only 3 waves up so far, however. So with a 3-wave move up, there isn't really much confirmation that we can get, but getting above that A wave high would be interesting. But as I mentioned in previous updates, we've got a bit of a cluster of resistance here. So it's like a breakout zone, which I highlighted here in green. It's between $5.28 and $5.37. And any break above this zone should send the price higher, in the first instance to 578. But if it's really a third wave that's unfolding, we should get to minimally, I would say, 655. Because 655, that's the 138% extension and the first ideal target for such a third wave. We're not happy with a third wave that only reaches the 123.6 extension, or the 100% extension. Then we're talking about an ABC structure. I mean, this is possible. Could easily just be A, B, C. I'm just labeling it like that just to point out, okay, if it's a C wave, and that could, that can take. This is all corrective anyway, so it might be A wave, B wave, and then somehow, but it doesn't really work as a C wave because this would be a bit too large. So if this is a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, then at least this C wave should be a little longer. So we'll see how it all comes together. The microstructure isn't so important. What I want to see next is that not only the price breaks above these highs, but that the next pullback is a higher low. So if really white wave C is unfolding, then this here should be O wave 1, and we get a pullback in wave 2, 3, 4, 5. Don't worry, I'll change the color in a minute. So actually just now. And then this is how the C wave up should unfold. But then I would like to see minimally 5 waves in wave 1, and I only see 3. So this is not really predictive at the moment, because we only get 3 waves up. This could easily still be part of a larger downtrend. We just get a bit of a counter trend move to the upside or something. That is why it's so important in this region to see breakouts. Very important, because we haven't really done much over the last, well, not only 2 weeks, actually for the last month, really, since the 3rd of February, since the price formed the low on the 3rd of February. And you can see this is simply sideways. Even though I have to say DOT seems to be holding up better than many other coins. And that might be related to the situation that DOT is really, really close to major support. Really close to major support. Which is here the August low from last year. So all we can do at the moment is wait to, from an analysis point of view at least, I mean, from a trading point of view, if you're trading this, I mean, the box is large enough on the chart. It's the support area is large enough. It's the key area where the price, if this interpretation is correct, and it's not high confidence, but if it's correct, the price should find support in this orange zone. But from an analysis point of view, for any further clarification, confirmation, we need a break above those levels I mentioned. That's the update about DOT. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.